What's going on, guys? Logan from Insulaton Spray Foam. I'm a little bit bummed because last week we took a bunch of videos at this job site of a basement that had a lot of water behind some fiberglass, but those videos got deleted. So we're here today. I'll show you what they got done. Basically, they went through with some dry lock paint and painted a lot of it. Basically every area that was really wet and then some. Like everything over here wasn't wet, but I think he just wanted, maybe he had some extra paint and just painted everything, who knows. But I'll take a couple videos of what happened before as much as I can, and we'll go over some remedies that you can do to prevent this stuff from happening. But basically this was all wet, really wet through here, and they had fiberglass, the roll up faced fiberglass on these walls, and once the water got behind that fiberglass got wet and just held it right on the black wall. And we'll go up top and show where the water was coming from, what caused it, and what they're gonna do to prevent it from happening again. So I'll see you up top. All right, so we're back up top here. I got my dad with me. He's gonna go over what the issue was because he was here when with the owner talking to him about it. So here he is.
Morning, folks. Kyle here from Insulaton Spray Foam. So came here a couple weeks ago and talked to the homeowner. He was having some water problems in the cellar, and he also wanted to insulate the basement for possible future finishing and use it for usable space. So pretty common theme here. We see this a lot. You get rain gutters. A lot of water collection comes from them. Snow melt and stuff in the wintertime. Just rain in the spring. Comes down here with the downspouts. The water was dumping right here. You probably can't see in the video, but right here the ground is kind of concaved a little bit. The water was lying right here and just sitting against that basement wall, running to the bottom and seeping in at the footer. So he's done these temporary pipe fixes right here, basically to kick this water out into the lawn. This spring, once it dries out a little bit, he's going to dig a trench out here, put some pipes underground and run it out to daylight so they can get rid of the water forever. Got the same scenario in the back. Literally both problem areas in the basement had exactly the scenario at the top. So he's going to fix that forever and take care of that, and it'll probably go away. Take care and have a good day.
That's a wrap. Got 2 inches of close-off foam on these walls. All the poly's taken up. Zach's sweeping up a little bit over there, but just about done. It lays down pretty smooth on these concrete walls. You can see where the old hangers were right here. Every one of these bumps is one of them. But nothing else really to explain other than we're done. About a set of foam for this size basement. I don't really know what square foot basement this is honestly, but it's a decent sized basement. I mean, I'll come back here on these steps. Try to get a whole view of it. It's about that big. Yeah, so we're all set here. Gonna head back to the shop and get some other stuff done. So, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll catch you on the next one.